All right, so I've been officially invited to the Milwaukee Pipeline 2026. It's going to be held mid-August this year. I am very, very excited, and I'm very thankful to them for inviting me. This will be my third year in a row. All right, so out of pure excitement, I put together a compilation of last year's 2025 Pipeline event, all my favorite clips. So sit back, relax, enjoy that while we wait for 2026.
Messing around, calling all you freaks and nerds. You're just missing what you want. My brother's going down the drain, my sister's living the dream, but everybody's singing along. It's okay, we'll all soon be gone. We never really settled the score. Half the town screaming out in vain, the other half is fake, but everybody's singing along. It's okay, we'll all soon be gone.
It's a universal fit. All you have to do is pull back on the red band to release the hole saw and press in to attach a new one. Then it's locked in place. That's gonna give you 6 times faster hole saw changes than traditional arbors. And not only are you saving time changing hole saws on the arbor, you only need one arbor now for all thread sizes and all hole saw sizes. So you don't have to spend time taking the arbor off the tool between sizes. Since it's so easy to take that out, now you're removing that added resistance to the plug, making it that much faster and easier to get the plug out of your hole saw.
Are going to feature high contrast markings that are going to make it very easy to see and read that torque value that you're trying to adjust to. The biggest piece of feedback that we've gotten from the field as we're connecting with hundreds of users was that the solutions out there, when you're talking about a stamped marking on a chrome finish, it's very hard to see, and users were struggling trying to see what value they were landing on, whether it was dim lighting, high lit environments, or outdoor environments. Done is we've gone back to try to optimize the click sound and the breakaway feel on these tools, so that we make it as strong as possible.
Wire nut colors, so anywhere ranging from large blue all the way down to orange.
Awesome, man.
Yeah,
that's cool. Yeah, when
We're excited to announce our threaded rod nut runner, part of our Shockwave Impact Duty lineup. For electricians building out threaded rod rack assemblies, you know how tedious and cumbersome this application is. Whether it is you're hand spinning and building these racks, we're coming up with some type of homemade solution to help spin and make this application quicker. Whether it's single tier or multi-tier, these systems are going to be holding a number of different equipment, whether it's ductwork, it's cable trays, pipe, anything like that. These are going to be found vastly across commercial, industrial, and in prefab settings where they're doing a lot of assemblies over and over again. Think, these large data centers where they're having to do long runs, hundreds of thousands of racks. This is a very time-consuming application. Where we stepped in and saw the need for this is a compact solution that works directly with your impact driver. The Shockwave Impact Duty 3/8 threaded rod nut runner, which works with your impact driver, offers up to 9 times faster than hand spinning. So what does that mean to the user? It means more output, labor costs saved over time, being able to get more racks assembled in less time, and being able to move on to jobs faster, quicker, safer. This also features a split socket design. So for any users looking to get access to a rod that's trapped or a hex nut that's trapped, they can use this, open the chute, and get access without disassembling of the bottom tier. Now we're going to showcase the side access here.
Power supply. It's got a high power inverter with two 20 amp duplex outlets. It'll deliver up to 7,200 watts of peak power, 3,600 watts of continuous power. The largest battery Milwaukee tool has ever developed. 6 kilowatt hours of optimized cells, completely sealed and protected so the roll-on can handle the elements and help you bring power to where you need it, whether you're working indoors or outdoors. The roll-on is IP54 rated, so it can handle the elements of the job site. It's got a steel roll cage, so it's built from the ground up for wherever and whenever you need power.
Awesome. Yeah, that's a beast.
We've also got on top of the roll-on here, you'll see pack-out cleats, so you can stack up everything you need, make one trip right to where you're working. And it also has a hoist, so you can lift it up on the job site and get it to where you need it. You'll see too, the telescoping handle in the front makes it very easy to wheel around the job site with a single hand, and it's short enough to fit underneath the truck bed cover.
What's the weight on it?
It's 185 pounds, but that's why it's really optimized with that handle to be rolled around a lot. So with the 6 kilowatt hour roll-on, you've got that extra capacity for longer duration applications. Just an example we're showing here could be a power utility crew that's looking to pump water out of a confined space and blow air into it. And so what we're showing here is we're running a 3-inch trash pump, and with the roll-on 6 kilowatt hour, you're going to get over 5 hours of runtime and be able to move nearly 45,000 gallons of water, doing it all without the hassles of a gas generator or any other type of temporary power solution. But we also understand there are thousands and thousands of job site applications where you might need AC power. And so a great example of that is battery charging, where you can get 30 M18 8 amp hour batteries recharged from a single roll-on. Now this might be useful if you're working in a remote location and you've got multiple crews coming back to your power station, or if you're a professional landscaper and you're looking for access to power on the go.
Messing around, calling all you freaks and nerds. You're just missing what you want. My brother's going down the drain, my sister's living the dream, but everybody's singing along. It's okay, we'll all soon be gone. okay, we'll all soon be gone. Hey,